We cracked it, Mom. We have 3 big ones. You have to put in the hard work to get them. Yep. G'day, it's TimWanderer. Another day, another trip out on the water, this time an overnighter. In fact, we even put a kayak inside the boat. So we're gonna do some kayaking in the mangroves and dropping crab pots. Yeah, see how we go. Come and join us. This is crazy. Standing room only. We're trying to beach in there. Just hold this there. Maybe a chair so you can sit down.
Gazebo yet?
No, no gazebo yet. He is fine, look. Found our little spot of paradise behind us. I'm just gonna set up the crab pots. Ooh, she's gonna prepare lunch and then we head out for kayak and drop the crab pots. You came all the way here cooking this, facing that, when you're gonna be facing this. What a feast. Thank you, Mum. Baby carrot. It's right there. See? I think I cracked the code. The way to catch mud crab is go to... Shut up. Go to places where people or boat can't go to. So kayak. You put in the hard work, you're gonna get rewarded, I think. Let's see. All right, our destination's on the left of that. Mangroves. Oh. Done. See how shallow? This is a kayak only place. There's no way any boats come in here. And it's not kayakable from shore either. You gotta take a boat ride then kayak. So hopefully we are the only people here. Look at it. It's so secluded. Wow. You have to have crabs in here, Mum.
Careful head.
Yeah. Man. So I don't think we're going back this afternoon, but at least overnight, hopefully we get some crabs. A grade. Is there food in there?
What food's over here? Ate it all.
Yeah.
Oh, they ate all your muesli bar too. So we got no snacks.
That's fine, we don't need snacks.
Yeah, but still, that's my nuts from my beer.
Oh my goodness, I think they're all good. Labour Day, long weekend, spending the night with the missus out here in the Gold Coast. It's not a national park, so we can actually have campfire, cooking our dinner, not cooked yet, having sweet potato at dessert. So really loving it. German sausages and avocado. Years ago, she wouldn't even do any of this with me. So proud of her. Get her hands dirty, go rugged, no power, no water, everything. Such a trooper. Catching any? Flatheads? Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna beach it. Yeah.
DJ. Oh. Is it?
Female.
What the heck?
That's a female. That's a big Jenny though. Oh, too bad. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna be on the left hand side again. I'm just gonna paddle on top of this. Yeah, I'll be like this. Oh, let's hope this one's got something. One. Oh no. Too small. Oh, upside down. Male. Finally! 3 big bucks! We cracked it, Mom. We have 3 big ones. Definitely. You have to put in the hard work to get them. Oh! Another one! That's a female though. See how it's round? Okay. Go. Jump in. I'm saving you. Oh wait, hold on, I haven't opened it, sorry. There you go. Yeah, that is us. Oh, can you pedal me in? I don't want to flip it. Oh, another one. That's a male as well. You want to come down and have a stretch? What a great little trip that we've done. Tough ass. Proud of the missus. Really getting rough and off-grid camping. Definitely have fun though, especially this time of catching mud crab. See how solid. Oh, big boy. Oh my gosh. We did the hard work and it paid off. It's gonna be a feast tonight. Anyway, if you enjoy the video, can you help me out and hit like, share, subscribe, and the bell buttons, please? It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye. So this is steam, and this is shallow. Ginger shallow. And fresh prawns. Wow.